Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert the header footer in the slides. So I have one presentation with me where I want to put a header footer. For that I have to go inside a insert tab. Inside a insert tab here you can see a header footer option. Once you click over here you can see there is a two option. One is the slides and another is the notes and handouts. If you want to know more about how to add the header footer to the notes and handout, there is a separate video available on our channel. First we will see the slides. For that you can include the slides, that is date and time. Here it is, if you want to update the date and time automatically you can use this option. If you want to keep the date fixed, then you have to select this option. So this date and time will come on this position. Here you can see whenever I am going to click on that date and time, it gets highlighted. So if I am clicking on it, it gets highlighted. That means whichever option you are choosing inside a date and time, it will come on this side, on the leftmost side. Next one is the slide number. Once I click on it, you can see in the preview, it gets highlighted on the rightmost side. The third one is the footer. If you click on the footer, it will come in the between, that means in the center. So whichever text you want, you can put inside that, like MS-PowerPoint, like this you can put. Now if there is one more option available there, that is a don't show on a title slides. So when you are inserting a header footer, there is an option that you can avoid the title slide. So if I'm going to click on the don't show on the title slide, so this header footer will not come on the title slide. If I apply to all, now here you can see this is my title slide. It is not anywhere some header or footer. Now if I go to the second slide, here you can see the date, the text and the slide number. On the third slide, on the fourth slide, like this. Now if you want to edit it, just go inside, and if you want to change the footer, like whichever text you want, if you find like text tool, if you want there, you can also change it afterwards. Now if you want to update the date and the time, you can also change that. And slide numbers, if you don't want, you can also do that. And if you want it on the title slide also, you can uncheck it and apply to all. Now here you can see on title slide also, it is showing the date, the title and the page number or the slide number. So in this way you can add the header footer to your slides in PowerPoint presentation. Thank you.